If you fell into the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy, you wouldn't die instantly. In fact, you would cross the edge of oblivion at exactly 186,282 miles per second and feel absolutely nothing. This breaks everything we know about physics. Inside that boundary, gravity becomes so infinitely strong that space and time literally swap places. A mass equal to 4.3 million of our suns is crushed into a point smaller than a single atom. Scientists at MIT and Stephen Hawking's former colleagues are completely divided. Does the inside of a black hole destroy the universe's data, or is it a backdoor to another reality? What is actually hiding in the dark? To understand how impossible this is, we need to look at what black holes are supposed to be. When a massive star dies, its core collapses under its own weight, creating a gravitational pull so intense that not even light can escape it. We call that point of no return the event horizon. It is the ultimate cosmic dead end. A one-way ticket to nowhere. But this is where things get strange. Because the math is telling us a completely different story about what's waiting on the other side. What I am about to reveal next is why so many people are joining the Deep Space Secrets community every single day. If you want to uncover the classified, mind-bending cosmic truths most people will never know, hit that follow button right now. Stay with me here, because by the end of this video, you will understand the universe in a way that changes everything. The real mystery started on April 10, 2019. Scientists using the Event Horizon Telescope, a massive network of 8 observatories spanning the entire globe, captured the very first image of a black hole in galaxy M87. It was a monumental triumph. But as quantum physicists analyzed the data in the following years, they realized something terrifying. The math for the singularity, the very center of the black hole, was producing infinite numbers. And in physics, infinity doesn't mean really big. It means our current laws of nature have completely broken down. So what replaces them? Enter the most controversial theory in modern astrophysics. Leading theoretical physicists now suggest that a black hole doesn't have a crushing singularity at its center at all. Instead, imagine a three-dimensional hard drive. As objects fall in, their 3D information gets smeared and encoded onto the 2D surface of the event horizon, like a cosmic hologram. You wouldn't be crushed into nothingness, your exact quantum blueprint would be perfectly preserved on the surface. It is a beautiful, elegant solution. But what if I told you it is completely wrong? Because here is where it gets crazy. A competing faction of scientists studying loop quantum gravity have proposed a radical alternative. They suggest that space isn't empty, it is made of tiny, indivisible loops. When a black hole compresses these loops to their absolute limit, they act like a coiled spring. They bounce back. Meaning the center of a black hole might actually be a white hole, spewing matter and time out into an entirely different, newly born universe. Every black hole in our universe might be the Big Bang of another. I genuinely want to know what you think, because even the world's smartest minds can't agree on this. Are black holes just crushing dead ends of infinite gravity? Are they cosmic holographic hard drives storing the universe's data? Or are they literal portals giving birth to parallel universes? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below right now. Do you think we are living inside a black hole ourselves? I will be reading through and replying to the most mind-bending answers. This isn't just a fun thought experiment. This affects how we see our place in the universe. If the portal theory is correct, our very own Big Bang 13.8 billion years ago was simply the exhaust from a massive black hole in a parent universe. It means the cosmos isn't just a solitary bubble, but an endless Russian doll of universes, constantly giving birth to one another through these dark, mysterious spheres. And if the holographic principle is true, it proves that our entire 3D reality might just be a projection from a 2D surface. Unlocking the inside of a black hole is the literal key to understanding whether our existence is real, or just an elaborate quantum illusion. But we aren't completely in the dark, and we aren't just guessing anymore. Science is progressing at a staggering rate. Right now, the James Webb Space Telescope is peering deep into the early universe, discovering ancient supermassive black holes that mathematically shouldn't exist, monsters that grew to billions of solar masses just moments after the dawn of time. Furthermore, the European Space Agency's upcoming LISA mission, launching in the 2030s, will fire lasers across millions of miles of empty space to detect the precise gravitational ripples of black holes colliding. Combined with next-generation upgrades to the Event Horizon Telescope, we are on the verge of mapping the magnetic fields right at the edge of the abyss. For the first time in human history, we are building the tools necessary to peer past the math and look directly at the monster's teeth. The answers to the greatest mysteries of creation are finally within our grasp. But the inside of a black hole isn't the only impossible mystery lurking in the cosmic dark. What you're about to see next changes everything. In our upcoming videos, we will be revealing the classified anomaly discovered floating out in the Oort cloud, and the terrifying reason why astronomers think our entire universe is being pulled towards something called the Great Attractor. You won't want to miss what we have uncovered. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. Remember, every time you look up at the night sky, you aren't just looking at stars, you are looking at an ocean of untold secrets, waiting for the right mind to decode them. The universe is full of secrets and we're just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up.